Open all the way.
No, oh my gosh! What? They can't get out.
Wow, that's a lot of snow, huh, guys?
Dude, you can't even get out. You gotta go to
Wow.
the door.
On my way to getting Saturday morning donuts. Tradition started decades and decades ago. My grandparents out in Missouri. We continue that. So you can see that it's we got a ton of snow here. It's everywhere, and so rain, sleet, snow, cold, dog poop in the yard, doesn't matter. We're off to get donuts this morning, and we're on foot. Walking back now with Casey's Donuts, and we probably got about, I don't know, 12 to 18 inches of snow. Who knows? There's just a lot here.